Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a spreadsheet in Canva. Whether you're brand new or already familiar with Canva, this process is simple and quick. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top of the homepage, type in spreadsheet. Canva will instantly show you a wide variety of spreadsheet templates. Browse through the options and pick the one that best fits your project. Some are designed for budgets, others for schedules, and some for tracking data. Choose the one that works for you and click on it to preview. If the layout looks good, click the Customize this template button. This opens the Canva editor where you can personalize the spreadsheet. Click on any text box to replace the placeholder text with your own information. Add data labels, column headers, or numbers as needed. You can also change fonts, colors, and sizes to match your style or branding. If your spreadsheet needs to follow a theme, take advantage of Canva's text styles, background colors, and design elements. These tweaks make your sheet not only functional, but visually appealing. When you're happy with the result, save your work. Canva allows you to download your spreadsheet as a PDF, PNG, or even share it directly with the link. And that's it. You've created a spreadsheet in Canva. With just a few steps, you can build an organized and great looking sheet for any project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more Canva tips and tricks.